Hey everyone, welcome back. I am teacher Pooja and I am also a learner with you. Here we will learn speaking English and we will learn how to be a public speaker. I am on my 100 days challenge for being a native English speaker and for being public speaker. Years ago I wanted to speak English frequently and I wanted to be a public speaker, but I never ever done it because I never do a exercise for speaking with discipline. But it is the time where I had no other options left, not being a speaker or not being a native English speaker because I it is because every time I feel regret in my mind every time that I couldn't achieve anything and I could not learn or speak English frequently. While I am a quick learner, that's why I adapt new things very early or very quickly. But I sorry, but I never be a speaker easily without any practice. I done a practice for 10 days, 30 days max or 20 days, but not for 90 days. If we want to speak any language, we have to done daily practice at least for 90 days and it made us confident about speaking and I never did complete 90 days course self course or purchased course, so that's why I never ever be fluent. But I in this age I have no other options to be frequent, not to be frequent because I feel regret every time to not doing self growth as I want it to be. And so I took 100 days challenge for self growth and for being a native English speaker. If we want to speak any language frequently, we should learn it and speak it at least 10 minutes minimum in a day. And if possible, record yourself for at least 2 minutes minimum or max as you can, or 10 minutes. You can give task to yourself for recording 10 minutes daily because it is not less or more time when we can feel boredom. So if we speak for 10 minutes, it gives us hard push towards our English journey or any speaking any language what we want to speak. We have only one life and we should try so many things because in our one life we should not be just just living our life with one resource or any other things. We should try new things whenever we feel comfort. And this is my day 16, and I feel more confident as much as my day first in speaking. While I did start my 100 days challenge in front of the camera, I just did not remember any word in front of the camera, and my mind just out of word, and it feels danger every time when we do anything in which we have the feeling to be judged. Our mind gives symptoms or gives suggestions to our brain not to do that thing for being judged. The fear of judging everyone have, because everyone always know that if they speak in public, or if they speak any wrong word or wrong sentence in front of someone else, they might be judged, or someone else might laugh on us. So that's why our mind always feels danger in that stage. How can we get rid of this fear? The answer is only one, that is daily practice. Do daily practice at least 2 minutes or 10 minutes or as much as you can for 1 hour or for 10 minutes 3-4 times in a day. As much as we practice in front of the camera, we feel more confident and less fear for being judged. If you are feeling ashamed while speaking in front of the camera, and if you are feeling not to post those videos and not to show those videos for someone else, do not do it. Just for yourself, record yourself while speaking and put them videos, put that those videos in hide option. And when you became fluent in speaking any language, whatever you want to be speak, you want to speak, then go to your hidden camera, hidden videos, and just see your old videos. You might be laugh, and it might be your best memory that you would have, because no one is perfect in this world, and nature is also not. God made us, and may God create nature, and in this nature everything is not perfect. While these are made by God, that is perfect, but everything has its own shape and size and imperfection in itself. So why we should our hard to get to be perfect, while no one is judging us for being imperfect, but also everyone is in the fear of being judged due to imperfection. Here I want to tell you something, that if we want to do anything but with the perfection, we have decided if I will get perfect in anything, and in that thing I will do it and I will show it after getting perfect. But it makes you years to getting perfect, or you might be you might not complete that task to be perfect, and it makes you regret or guilty in your heart for years, not doing that things that you wanted to do. Due to imperfection you did not complete it. So why you wanted you wanted be in the regret? Do the thing, just be just in imperfectly, and with daily practice and with doing this thing regularly, we will become perfect perfect. But without practice, it is not possible. It is not possible to get perfect. So I want to tell you something, that I am taken 100 days challenge to be perfect in public speaking, and in public speaking, and getting perfection in my English speaking, and I want to be a native English speaker. And also one thing, that I want a English teacher. So I am on the mission of 100 days challenge itself, and you should also do any mission, and you can take 100 days challenge or 7 days challenge, 21 days challenge, whatever gives you comfort zone for your task. In the first try you can take 7 days challenge. After that you can increase your days, and it and will be on 20 days challenge. It after make it 30 days challenge. After that do increase the days for 2 4 5 days while completing your days challenge. So try to record yourself daily for 10 minutes, and do speak in English or whatever language you want to speak, and you want to be native in that language. Do try to speak in front of the camera, so that you can achieve your 2 goals at a time frequently. And no matter how much people judge you, no matter how much fear you have in your heart, no matter how much people laughed at you, because it's the only matter to your satisfaction only. Because people come and go in your life, but only put you left alone, and your guilt for not doing anything in the life, while you or me at the age of 70 will seated alone we might regret for not doing things that we wanted to do earlier because of the pupil. We met so much pupils in our lives, in schools, in primaries, in secondary schools, in college, in our offices, and in our daily commute daily commute on the roads, our daily commute ways, but they are not longer in our life. So why we are just getting afraid due to those pupils? They doesn't matter in our lives, and they are no longer in our life. So just face your fear and do whatever you want. Thank you so much for being a part of my journey, and you can learn together, because it is not my YouTube channel only, it is the channel for those who want to be a native English speaker, and who want be a public speaker, and who want to face their fear. And my day one journey, from my day one journey to 100 days journey, I will put all my videos, and I just believe in myself that after hundreds after 100 days I will be a native English speaker, and I am just put my all videos long life on YouTube for evidence of my success. So that's why so many students, those are in my situation, it at this time, they might get my YouTube videos while I will be succeed, and they some while we might while we watch any influencer, and we every time just think that they are lucky, or they are family is they are how they have so much money, but we did not see their hard push and their hard time to achieve something, or we did not see their discipline or consistency for being successful. So I am putting my all videos while I am just stubbing sta I am just la la la, and I'm wrong pronouncing, I am words I am wrong, I just use wrong sentences and wrong pronunciation, and I'm just being afraid for speaking. But very soon I will not have this fear any longer with my consistency and discipline. Thank you so much for being a part of my journey and be a part of my 100 days challenge. Thank you so much. Welcome back for and thank you for having me.